All right, let's talk about the top 1%. You know, the people who own yachts, eat sushi on private jets, and somehow make wearing loafers with no socks look cool. But here's the thing, being rich isn't just about making a ton of money. It's about managing it wisely. Yep, even billionaires have budgets, though theirs might include jet fuel as a line item. So today I'm breaking down how the wealthiest people budget and how you can steal their secrets, no matter what's in your bank account. Now, here's the first thing you need to know. The top 1% don't just throw their money around. They're actually really intentional about how they spend, save, and invest. Their budgets aren't about restricting themselves, they're about aligning their spending with their goals. So, step 1. Know your goals. Are you saving for a house, planning to retire early, or just trying to stop crying every time you check your bank account? Whatever it is, write it down and make it the foundation of your budget. Next, the 1% focus on percentages, not dollar amounts. They follow something called the 50-30-20 rule, but with a twist. For them, it might look more like 30-30-40, 30% on needs, like housing and food, 30% on wants, like travel or that ridiculous Peloton membership, and 40% on saving and investing. Notice that big chunk going towards savings and investments? That's the magic sauce. The wealthy don't let money sit around, they put it to work. Speaking of investing, here's another secret. The top 1% treat investing as a non-negotiable expense, just like rent or groceries. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or even a side business, they prioritize building wealth for the future. And no, you don't need to have millions to start. Even if you can only invest $100 a month, the compound interest fairy will thank you later. Another thing the rich do, they track their spending like hawks. Seriously, they know where every dollar goes and they cut out anything that doesn't add value. So if you've got subscriptions you forgot about, looking at you, free trial from 2019, it's time to cancel them. The top 1% don't waste money, and neither should you. Now let's talk about lifestyle creep. That sneaky habit of spending more as you make more. The wealthy avoid this by setting clear boundaries. Sure, they'll treat themselves to nice things, but they don't let their expenses grow faster than their income. So next time you get a raise, think about how you can save or invest it, instead of upgrading to the newest iPhone just because your current one has too much storage. And finally, here's the secret sauce. They outsource. The rich know the value of their time, so they outsource tasks that don't align with their goals. For you, that could mean automating your savings or using budgeting apps to make managing money easier. Remember, time is money, so spend both wisely. If you're ready to budget like the top 1%, let me know in the comments which tip you're excited to try. And don't stop here. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on tips to level up your financial game. Let's budget smarter, not harder. See you in the next one.